loud check valve, big slamming sound on my ejector pit. Doing some research and realized that they have a better quiet check valve that can be installed. But right now what I'm going to do is get the sump pump to trip and capture the sound. Okay, there it goes. Doesn't seem like it's so loud, but it is very noticeable. And the pipes above my shot here did shake. I don't know if the camera caught it up, but as it goes up another few feet, you can see the pipe shake. See what I have to do in this area here, because this is both a combination shutoff valve and check valve. I'm hoping I can remove the check valve piece, keep this in place as a shutoff valve, and then install this, the quiet check valve, probably just down here below the shutoff. Okay, so I have it out, as you can see. What we've got here is now the shutoff valve still in place. This is a ring that would slide up here and connect the check valve. Now when we look at this check valve in here, what we see is something that looks like this, and I'm gonna need to keep this in as a transition piece, and I don't want to have a double check valve because I think that's still gonna cause a loud banging problem with this in place. So this works just off of a flipper, and what I've done is I've cut the rubber hinge, the gasket, to remove the check valve from this piece so I can keep it as a transition piece. And the thing that I've noticed is now I have kind of a different volume going in here, kind of like a reducer, going from a good 2 inches down to maybe 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches or so. You see that it's off-centered. I think what I'm going to try to do is drill this out so it's more of a center hole, and that'll make it appear with a straighter flow. I'm a little worried about all sorts of vortices forming when this pump starts up and air kind of churning inside this thing, and that making even a different noise. So we're going to try that first, see how it goes. If after installing the quiet check valve the sound is noticeably different, I'll keep it that way. If not, I'll have to replace this shutoff valve to eliminate this diameter change here. You can see I've opened up the diameter of this connector quite a bit. From this side you can see I'm just a little bit off center, but I think I've maintained enough distance on the surface area to pick up this O-ring seal here. So even though I might be off a little bit, it rides pretty far out to the edge, and I think I'll be fine. I feel better about this now because it is more of a straight through pipe now than it was before. So I'm going to put that back in and then measure where my new check valve is going to go. The quiet check valve is in place. I'm going to plug in the sump pump and the float switch. There it goes. Holy crap. That was completely silent. Completely. I mean, there wasn't, I didn't even see a jiggle of the pipe up above or anything. This thing works fantastic. 100% approved. Immediately fixed my problem. Easy installation. The reason why this is so quiet, it's this thing right here, a 1/2 pound spring. Faster that valve can close, the quieter the check valve operates. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed this. There it goes.